Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Steam must be running to play this game. So first of all, you have to right click on your taskbar and go to Task Manager, and right here you'll have to search for Steam and right click and then select End Task. After you do that, go to the details section right here, and of course search for Steam, and for these applications right here, all of them, just click and purchase 3. After that, you can go to your Steam account and go to library and select that the game that you're facing is issue with, and you can right click on it, go to properties, and install files and verify integrity of game files. After you do that, you can also go forward and uninstall the game and try to install this again. And if this is not going to work, you can go to the search bar, uh, run, and select update and go to the local section, select Steam and delete the folder right here. And after you do that, you can go forward and also uninstall the Steam application and try to install the app again. So this is all for today. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.